Hello, today we'll be taking a look at the all-new Arcolis Remote, the latest mobile control solution from Nicolaudie Architectural. To begin, you'll need to download the application from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, you should double check you're connected to the same network as your Nicolaudie controller. Once confirmed, we can launch the application. Arcolis Remote launches to the new Connect screen. This is where any devices discovered on your network will appear. The stick DE3 we have connected has been discovered, so let's go ahead and connect. This is the point where you'll be prompted to enter the password for your device if you've set one. Once connected, you'll be automatically taken to the home page. The home page is where your favorite scenes will appear. By default, a selection of scenes from your global zone will appear here. To trigger a scene, we simply press it. A green circle appears on any scene that is active. To turn a scene off, we simply press the scene again. Now we've got a scene selected, let's have a look at how we can perform a live edit. By pressing the fader icon in the top right of the screen, we're taken to the main tab of the live edit screen. Please note the controls that appear here will vary depending on the controller you're connected to. For the stick D3, the main tab has sliders to control the dimmer level, hue, and saturation for your currently selected scene. Above the faders is the tab selector. This is where you select if you're viewing the main, color, temperature, or extra parameters. Above the tab selector, you have controls to favorite the selected scene, pause dynamic scenes, and reset a scene to its default state. The Color tab presents you with an RGB color wheel. You can use the plus buttons at the bottom of the wheel to favorite any color you currently have selected. This is for easy recall at a later time. You can save up to 8 colors per scene. The Temperature tab gives you a temperature wheel. Manipulating the wheel will cause the selected scene to become white. Moving around the wheel will change the DMX values to simulate warm white or cool white. As with the color wheel, you can save up to 8 presets per scene. The Extras tab is where any additional control parameters appear. As you can see, the only control here right now is for speed. Let's move on to the Zones tab. From this tab, you can view all of the zones on your device. Once we select a zone, we can view all of the available scenes within it. You can favorite a selected scene by pressing the heart button that appears next to the fader icon. This means the scene will appear on your home screen. By performing a long touch on the heart icon, you'll have the option to favorite or unfavorite the whole zone. For stick devices only, a fourth page will appear on screen, the stick screen. This page gives you a digital representation of your stick product. The UI works in the exact same way as your physical controller does. This includes long presses to pause and reset scenes and the standby button. The last thing we should look at is the settings screen. This can be accessed from any screen on the device by pressing the gear icon in the top right. For now, the only option here is to set password remember behavior. This is useful if you're using a shared device. This covers everything you need to get started with the new Arcolis Remote app. Be sure to check out the other video tutorials on our page.